Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome to my YouTube channel Gardening Paradise. Gardens are a good and enjoyable pastime. Enjoying is the fan's lap of nature is um, something which would seem artificial to the common people but quite peaceful to the city people as they are busy in the other part of their life hustling to gauge something but gardening help them to restart fresh their morning or evening. The garden is surrounded by a fence to protect from stray animals like dog, cats, or cows. Usually, these fences are made of wood or bamboo. The garden is designed into spillage. The spillage are the various part. All the sections split into flower beds while every bed is surrounded by an earthen spillet. For these flowers, crops, fruits, trees, vegetables, and medicines, herbs, some parts of interested to be cared it. In different season, people are plants, seasonal vegetables, pumpkin, gourd, lettuce, or bitter gourd, garlic, tomato, potato, brinjal, beans, pea, cabbage, turnip, cauliflower, radish, carrot, chilies, and others vegetables, while among fruit trees, apples, chicos, organ, plums, etc. In addition to this, people also grow climbers and creepers to decorate their garden. Among these includes are money plants, various shrubs, all of these come under the kingdom of plant. People root the grasses, prepare the beds, sow the seeds, plant the trees, and water the crops on a routine basis. People work in the gardens both during the morning and evening. They keep their garden neat and tidy. We must love and nature